Let's take a look at how the Data Analysis Toolkit performs Design of Experiments analysis. This is a quick overview of what's available. The toolkit will conduct 2 to the k full factorial analysis for 2, 3 or 4 factors with up to 16 runs. That 16 run limit means that it's 1 replicate for 4 factors, or if you have 3 factors you can have 1 or 2 replicates. If you have only 2 factors you can have 1, 2, 3 or 4 replicates. I know you can't read this screen, but it's intended to show you the overall layout. Very similar arrangement in 3 overall rows, 1 for 2, 1 for 3 and finally for 4 factors. So choose the number of factors you have and then go to the section in the toolkit that's appropriate. So let's just zoom in to a more reasonable magnification, and I'm going to be looking at the DOE with 4 factors here. As you can see, I've already done some work on this. This is a case study where I have different settings in a drilling operation, and I'm interested in the surface finish that is the end result. So I have different settings for coolant pressure and drill speed and drill coating and the feed rate. And here is the section where I enter my data if I have it arranged already in standard order. On the other hand, I might prefer, as is normally best practice, to have my data in the run order, which involves randomizing. So if that's the case, I'm going to enter my data in here. So you choose one or the other, and the toolkit will defer to the standard order if you are foolish enough to put data in both. Then we have the analysis with the model coefficients and the p-values for each of the terms that are in the model. I've got a partly completed analysis already here, as you can see, together with the overall standard deviation and R² and R² adjusted. Here's the Pareto chart that helps us to see graphically the relative importance of the various different factors and interactions, and it uses a color coding where those that are in blue are statistically significant and those that are in grey are not. And finally we have the main effects and interaction plots. So you don't need to remember menus and have the places that you go to call up these various different analyses. They're all there for you automatically. And one of the things that's nice about using the toolkit is that the process of reducing the model is really quick and easy. If I decide I want to take, shall we say, BD out, I'll just delete it. And let's delete ACD. And so we don't have to go through rerunning the model, going through menus multiple times. We just delete terms, and then there you go, the Pareto chart has updated automatically. We do also have protection against mistakes. For example, taking a term out that's going to make the model non-hierarchical. If I take B out while I've got the ABD interaction still included, then I'm going to get the message in fairly clear terms that I've made a mistake. So I can just change that to return it to included. That's a very quick look, not attempting to teach DOE of course, but I just wanted to show you that it provides all the statistical and graphical analysis that you're going to need.